Hi, hello everyone. Have a good day. How are you doing today? Are you going to work, go to school, or relax on your home because today is Sunday? Tell me in the comment. Today I wake up at 8 a.m. Yeah, I'm lazy today, but I have go to work today. So now I will. I have to go to work at 9 a.m. So today I have 10 clients. Yeah, it's good. It's normal. And the weather today in my country was sunny and very hot. I don't like this summer. Do you like this? The sunny weather? Tell me in the comment and how the weather in your country today. How do you feel today? Is good or something wrong, something bad? Tell me in the comment. That's it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.